Hello yes, I am Prasanna. I am here to teach you reading and writing of large numbers. Reading and writing of large numbers. So it is very difficult to read large numbers. To make reading of numbers easy, we divide this group to various places into periods. This can be done in two ways. One in Indian system and another one is international system. So one is Indian system and another one is international system, and the other name of Indian system is Indo-Arabic system. Indo-Arabic system. Today I am going to discuss about Indian system and international system of numeration, how to read and write in Indian system and how to read and write in international system. First, I will show you the place value chart of Indian system. Here is the place value chart of Indian system of numeration. Here you know, there's the ones, place, tens, place, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. These are the place values. Once again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. And here is a number. For ones it is 1, for tens 10, hundreds 1 after 2 0, thousand means 1 after 3 zeros, 10,000s, lakhs for 1 lakh 1 after 5 zeros, 10 lakhs means 1 after 6 zeros. Crores means 1 after 7 zeros, 10 crores means 1 after 8 zeros. So how many digits are there in ones? 1. For tens how many digits? 2 digits. For hundreds 3 digits. For thousands 4 digits. For 10,000s 5 digits. For lakh how many digits? 6 digits. For 10 lakhs 7 digits. For crores 8 digits. For 10 crores 9 digits. Okay. In our Indian system of numeration we use ones, tens, hundreds, so on. Isn't it? So lakhs, crores, these all will be there in our Indian system of numeration. Okay, how to write the number name? So to write the number name we use commas or periods. Commas or periods. See, these commas are used to make to mark thousands, lakhs, crores. Okay, the use of commas in large numbers is different in Indian system and international system. Now commas. These commas help us in reading and writing large numbers easily. Reading and writing large numbers easily. Here for example, I will take one number 5, 4, 3, 2, 0. Okay. Now this is the number. How to read this number in Indian system? So first we should mark commas here to read easily this number. How many? Here 78654320 is the number. First, comma you keep after hundreds place. That is from third digit from the right side. After third digit from the right side, we should come from third digit. So this is the ones place, tens, hundreds. This is thousands. This is 10,000s. Next, coming down to 10,000s after lakhs. 10 lakhs, crores. So first comma from right side after the third digit you should keep. Next, the second comma comes 2 digits later. And the third comma comes after another 2 digits. This is how we keep commas in Indian system. Is it clear? Now how to write this number name? Here hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. First we should come from crores. Here what is the number in place of crores? 7. So how to write this is 7 crore. How many lakhs here? 86 lakhs. Next how many thousands here? 54,000. And for this 300 20 is the number name of this number. Is it clear? So commas are very important, and commas help us in reading and writing the large numbers easily. This is the Indian system of numeration. Next, I am going to discuss about 1.3 now. Okay. So in the first bit is write the number using commas. Only they are asking using commas in Indian system. Right? And just now I discussed how to keep commas. First three numbers after. Ones, tens, hundreds. Then thousands, 10,000s. Next lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Now how to read this number? 1 crore 12 lakhs 45,670. Coming to this number 19030820. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Here 19 crores 3 lakhs 8,020. Is it? Now next question, write the number in words. Write the number in words. Here already they are given commas here. So what is here now? Okay, if you are getting confusion, just write the place values above the numbers: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So how many crores are there here, children? 47. So 47 crore. How many lakhs are there? 60 lakh. And how many thousands are there? No thousands here. So no need to write anything. Next 100, 317. 317. This is the answer. And remaining you can do. Right? But coming to third bit, write the number in figures. Here they gave in words. We should write in the figures. Okay? 60 lakhs. 60 lakhs means, okay, 60 lakhs. Next coming to 2000. 2000 means here single digit you are getting. But thousands place should be 2 digits. So how to write? 02. 2000 and 775. 775. This is the answer. 60 lakh 2,775. Right? And remaining sums you can solve. Coming to fourth bit. Coming to fourth bit. Write the number in expanded form. Write the number in expanded form. And write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay? 6 is in the place of 10 lakhs. So how to write this is expanded form. So 6 into 10 lakhs plus 3 into lakhs plus 2 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100. Like yesterday what we have discussed in 1.1 sums, right? Now coming to here, how to write? So 6 into 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs means how many zeros after 1? 6 zeros. Otherwise you can simply count 6 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can write simply, no need of writing into also, 6 after 6 zeros you keep. Is it? Next coming to 3. 3 into 1 lakh. 1 lakh means 1 after 5 zeros. But here 3 after how many digits are there? 5. You can see in this way also. It is very easy. 3 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Next 2 after how many digits? 4. Next 0. No need to write anything. Next 5. 500. Next after that 0 plus 0. This is the expanded form of this. Is it clear? Coming to next one, write the following in the short form. Write the following in the short form. Right? They are given in expanded form. You should write in the short form. So here little bit confusion only, right? Then there is a small trick. First count the number of digits in each number. If in this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here in this 8 digits are there. Coming to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 digits are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. And coming to here 2 digits. Okay. In between so many numbers are missing. Isn't it? So first I write 7. 8th digit. Okay. Next 7th digit is there. Okay. First number is 7. Coming to next 6th digit is missing. So you should write 0. Next fifth digit is also missing. So 0. Next fourth digit is there. What is the first value? Is 7. Coming to third digit is missing. 0. Second digit is there. 7. What about the first digit? It is missing. So it is 0. What is this number? 7 crores 70 lakhs 7,070. 7 crores 70 lakhs 7,070. Okay, coming to next way. Next, which is larger among these two? Which is larger among these two? Use greater than symbol and write. Here they are given two numbers here. In this, which is larger, and we should write using that symbol. So to greater than symbol means first we have to choose which is bigger here. Now coming to digits, how many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So here 7 digits is greater one, isn't it? So here number of digits are different. So here 7 digit number is always greater than 6 digit number. So here 18 lakhs 71,964 is greater than 4 lakhs 67,612. So when to use greater than symbol, always you write bigger number on the left side. Coming to this, count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are there. Coming here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 9 digits are there. When the digits are same, we should compare first left to most numbers. Okay, 1. Here also 1 same. Next 4, 14. Here 14 crores equal. Coming to crores after, next coming to lakhs, 3 here. And coming to here 2. So which is greater? 3 is greater. So this number is greater, right? So 14 crores 35 lakhs 10,300 is greater than 14 crores 25 lakhs 10,300. Is it clear? When you are using greater than symbol, always write greater number on the left side. Coming to next 7th question. Which is smaller among these two? Use less than symbol and write. Which is smaller among these two? Here, when you compare these two numbers, which is smaller? Here, how many digits are there? 6 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coming to here, 5 digits are there. So, here 5 is smaller than 6. So, this number is smaller, isn't it? When you are using less than symbol, first we should write smaller number on the left side. 99,999 is less than 2,15,000. Is it clear? 99,999 is less than 2,15,000. Coming to this number, how many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. Coming to here also, it is 7 digits, isn't it? But we should check which is smaller, right? Now 13 lakhs, here also 13 lakhs, same. Coming to 1,000, 50,000, here 49,000, which is small? 49,000 is small. So first you write 13 lakhs 49,785 first on the left side, because we are using here less than symbol. 13 lakhs 49,785 is less than 13 lakhs 50,050.